Kasi mas maganda kasi dito sa Phil Global kasi they are approachable, tsaka easy yung transaction palagi. Tsaka kahit malayo kasi Iloilo kami, tapos yung representative namin is it's either dito sa Manila or sa Dumaguete, pero they are very much approachable. Tsaka ang isang one text away. Ganon. Yes, of course. First of all, salamat po sa Phil Global for helping me through my application. Kasi without their help naman, kasi as first time ko din po kasi mag-apply sa abroad pero by the help of Phil Global, mas naging madali yung process and everything. And also to all my fellow Ilonggo, kung gusto nyo mas mahapos kag mas legit nga pag-process, diri na kamo sa Phil Global. Kay for sure approve gid din yung visa.